Small living rooms can feel limiting, especially when natural light is restricted or the layout feels tight. Fortunately, thoughtful window design can dramatically change how a space looks and functions. One of the most effective upgrades for compact living areas is the addition of bow windows. For homeowners in Pasadena, bow windows offer a powerful way to create the feeling of more space, brighter interiors, and a refined design without expanding the home's footprint. Creating the illusion of more space, bow windows extend outward from the home, forming a gentle curve made up of multiple window panels. This extension instantly adds visual depth to a room. Even though the actual square footage increases only slightly, the outward projection makes small living rooms feel more open and less confined. In Pasadena homes where living space is at a premium, this added dimension can completely change how a room feels, making it more comfortable and inviting. Maximizing natural light in compact areas. One of the biggest challenges in small living rooms is limited natural light. Bow windows solve this problem by allowing sunlight to enter from multiple angles. Unlike flat windows, the curved design captures more daylight throughout the day. For Pasadena homeowners, increased natural light makes small living rooms appear brighter, larger, and more welcoming, often reducing the need for artificial lighting. Expanding views and outdoor connection. Small rooms can feel closed in when views are limited. Bow windows create wider sightlines by opening up the view beyond a single direction. This panoramic effect visually extends the room outward, helping the space feel connected to the outdoors. In Pasadena living rooms, broader views can enhance relaxation and create a more open, airy atmosphere. Creating functional space without remodeling. Bow windows don't just add visual space, they create usable space as well. The area beneath a bow window can be transformed into a seating nook, reading corner, or display area for plants and decor. For small living rooms in Pasadena, this functional feature adds versatility without requiring a full renovation or structural expansion. Enhancing room layout and furniture placement. Small rooms often struggle with furniture placement. Bow windows introduce a natural focal point that can help anchor the layout. Sofas, chairs, and accent tables can be arranged to complement the curve of the window, improving flow and balance. Pasadena homeowners find that bow windows help redefine the living room layout, making it feel more intentional and less crowded. Adding architectural character and style beyond functionality, bow windows add character and elegance. Their curved design introduces architectural interest that elevates even the simplest living room. In Pasadena homes, bow windows can transform a modest space into a standout feature that reflects thoughtful design and modern style. Improving comfort and energy performance. Modern bow windows are designed with insulated frames and advanced glass that help regulate indoor temperatures. When installed properly, they prevent drafts and maintain comfort near the window area. For Pasadena homeowners, this means enjoying the beauty of bow windows without sacrificing energy efficiency. Boosting home value through smart design upgrades that improve both appearance and functionality tend to add value. Bow windows enhance curb appeal while also improving interior livability, qualities that appeal to future buyers. In Pasadena, small living rooms that feel bright and open can make a lasting impression. A smart solution for Pasadena living rooms. Bow windows offer an elegant solution for transforming small living rooms into open, light-filled spaces. By expanding visual space, increasing natural light, and adding architectural charm, they deliver big results without major remodeling. For Pasadena homeowners looking to enhance compact living areas, bow windows provide a smart, stylish, and lasting upgrade.